7 signs you are a high-class individual. Let me say once again, 7 signs that you are a high-class individual. And by the way, congratulations, okay? And by the way, number 4 will shock you. As always, find out. This one is not that common and people be like, oh, what? Let's get on the business, okay? Don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure that you subscribe and you leave a comment on the comment section because I upload a video each and every day, all right? Let's get on the business, okay? Number 1, the very first sign that you're a high-class person. Time manager. You're a time manager. If there is something that hurts you, you're so busy, is when someone misuses your time. They tell you, hey, we're going to meet at 9:30 a.m. in town. Then 9:20, you're already there at the meeting point. They show up at 10 a.m., 30 minutes past the agreed time. You feel wasted, energetic. The zeal and the motivation that you had, it is not there. Probably you are coming to help that individual. You feel like you don't even have the heart. He or she has spoiled the entire day. Like you're so, are we together? You are a time manager. Most of the high-class people, they are managers. I remember there was a time I used to be a tutor. Tutor is kind of a teacher. It was actually a school setup. And I used to spot a certain student somewhere. Okay, of course, I can't mention his name. That small boy, that small boy used to be very organized, time manager. He had a watch and, he was so unique from the rest. Okay, I can tell this guy has a sense of, a touch of class. So if you are a time manager, and not only a manager, you are a manager of different things. You can allocate your time, you can allocate your things. You're so good at managing. You're a high-class individual. Number 2, if you are a high-class individual, you tend to be an individual who, it's not a must that you be understood. Are we together? Not must you be understood. Not a must. Not a must. Are we together? That people understand you, okay? What do I mean by that? Like, you have defined principles. It is you. I met somebody who said, you know what, Joseph, I never close the deals past 6:30 p.m. To you may sound strange. Why? I can close the deals even at 12 a.m. For them, nah, that's how I work. Oh, by the way, the first 3 hours of the day are mine. I don't trade with anybody. I move closer to God. I preach the word. I read the word, I socialize, I exercise, I walk, I do something. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's not a must, you understand. You have some things that you believe on. Probably you believe that politicians will never help anybody. Those are your standards. It's not a must that you be understood. When you go somewhere and you say something, you're not struggling to over-explain. Actually, that's another point. You don't over-explain. You don't over-explain. You don't over-explain. You don't spend a lot of time. No, please understand. You guys, you have misquoted me. Nah. That's me. That's my view. You are opinionated. Actually, that should be another. That should be actually, let me put it that there. You are opinionated. Opinionated. Like you have an opinion. You don't write on, okay, it's no problem. We can do what he said. No. Okay, I agree. I respect what you said, but then I would suggest, like, you are opinionated. You don't stand and say, I'm just here to echo what the teacher has said. And no, you are opinionated. For God's sake, there is something that you can say. There are people who speak because they have to say something. Others speak because they have something to say. For you, you don't speak because you have to say something. You speak because you have something to say. So you are opinionated. That means you do not over-explain yourself. Number 3, you don't explain your luxury. You don't. It doesn't make any sense. You don't come here and tell me, hey, this watch is la 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 la. Nah. You don't say this is Daytona, this is I don't know. You don't say this watch is worth $1 million. You don't say this coat, I don't know, is LV. I don't know, this is Versace, this is Louis Vuitton. Nah, you don't. If you are, you see, you can just, relaxing with your sneakers somewhere, you're just having fun, and all of a sudden somebody's, oh my, that particular sneaker actually goes for $3,500. That's close to like 400,000 or 500,000. If they know, well and good. If they do not, you're not in a business of explaining yourself. You are a high-class person. You don't wear labels. You know, you don't put on a Versace, you don't put on Gucci's and whatever. Actually, you can even contact them to make you a Gucci whatever, but they don't put the logo there because you're not in a business of explaining anything to anybody. When you drive yourself a very heavy car, you don't, fine, you drive it anyway. You don't even lower the window, what do you call it? The window, whatever, like people, nah, you're just, you're just there. If they notice it's yours, well and good. If they do not, you're not in a business of making them understand that it's yours. You don't have to over-explain. You're just yourself. Let's go to the one that I said you're gonna shock you. Number one, you are not available, neither are you common or predictable. Hey, let me say that one. That is the fourth one. You are not available, neither are you common, neither are you predictable. You are like a mystery to people. You are a mystery. You're not available anyhow, anytime. By the way, valuable individuals, they are rarely available. Sometimes they could just come to your place and speak, and then they hurry to get. They tell you, hey, I have a meeting after this, please let me hurry. No, they are maintaining their what? Value. The moment you become more, okay, let me give you a very simple example using my own case. I met somebody somewhere. The guy has a shop or something somewhere. I met that guy and he was so happy meeting. Oh my God, oh, this is good, Joseph. How are you? The guy was not even raising my hand. Was like, oh my, good to see you. How are you? I watch your videos. You're so amazing. I love it. And even the guy stopped serving the others. He was just shaking my hand and looking at me. Oh my God. He didn't know I come from the same area. I mean, it's my home, He's going to see me a lot of times. So he didn't know that. So the next time he saw me, the amount of shaking reduced. The third time, nowadays he's like, yes, Joseph, you good? Good. It's like that. You get, see, the moment you become more valuable to people, you become less valuable to their eyes. Are we together? So you are less common. You are less available. And you cannot even be predicted. See, when you're high value or when you're high class, you become an individual who is not predictable. We can't say his or her next move. We can't tell. Whenever you think like everything now is flowing things and we can almost predict your next take of action, you do opposite. That is a high class individual. Let me see whether I have exhausted the list. Not yet. I think we've covered several of them. The other ones is that you are secretive. Yes. I think one of the elements that makes these people high class is the ability to retain that what they are given in terms either a thing or news or something. People find it comfortable sharing things with you because they know you shut your mouth. Somebody can just show up and be like, hey, hello, gentlemen. Good morning. How are we doing today? I would like to, have a conversation with you. Something. Might you be available at 10 a.m.? Yeah, sure. They share with you very classified information. Perhaps maybe it's about their love life, about their health, about their families, about their investments, their net worth, their whatever. But you have the ability to shut your mouth. You don't speak it to anybody. You don't say anything. You're gonna go to grave with those secrets. Excuse me. That ability of keeping secret, it is what we call a sign of you becoming or you being a high class individual. But the moment you're told something, you're even wondering, hey, when will this meeting actually end so that I go? Nah. The other thing, this principle, that one I said, you don't explain, you're not available, that one I said, you don't master your voice. Absolutely. The last one is actually don't overshare. You don't over-explain about your life. You don't say, I made this amount of money. Nah. You don't say, hey, you know what, my house is worth 10 million. Nah. You don't say, I live in one of the most secluded neighborhoods. Nah. Let them find out. You don't over-explain. You just let the success. I think this is a typical explanation of the saying that, hey, let the success make the noises for you. You're that kind of an individual. So when you possess, excuse me, when you possess or have these signs, you become an individual who can categorically be classified as a high value individual, or should I say a high class individual. So the question that I should pose it to you is this. Out of the 7 signs, actually more than 7 signs that I've shared with you here, do you truly qualify to be given the crown of a high high-class individual? Don't tell me on the comment section. That is more of a rhetorical question. Keep it to yourself. And the funny thing is this, all things that I've shared here, if you do not possess even one, these things are learnable. You can learn them, you can assimilate them, and you can incorporate them in your life. And you can assume that class. Sometimes I tell people, sure, when we say high class, in most cases, people tend to attribute it to money, of which money is also a factor that makes you a high class. I think I should have said at the last there, yeah, you are wealthy, you have money. Or should I say you are wealthy? Okay? See, money is one of the major factors that you need to have for you to do what? I mean, money is good, guys. Let me tell you the secret. There's nothing wrong with getting money. Even the Bible didn't say that money is the root of all evil. No. The Bible says the love of it is the root of all evil. So, therefore, when you can practice having this, these signs. Be relatable, be reliable, be unpredictable. Don't be so much available unless you're being available because you're required to be available. Let's say you did promise that you're going to perform a certain task and your availability is needed. That is the only time you become available. Learn these things, the ability to keep secret, the ability, not to over-explain yourself. Be opinionated. Don't always ride with people's opinions. Be like, I'm okay with that. It was, hey, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Personally, I really hate people. Okay, not really hate people per se. I don't hate people. I hate the character of saying, hey, I agree with you. I also agree with you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, I love somebody who, you have something that you can say, and sometimes people even say that's something that you have to say. Always ask yourself, have I done my research well? Before, some people are not so shame. People are just like that. They just open their mouth and say something that they don't even know. And then along the way, you get schooled like a small kid because you got yourself into. I remember there was a time back then, and I learned it in a hard way. I remember there was a time I met was it a Jehovah's Witness or what? One of these religious people, so staunch, and I dared open a door for a certain topic that I thought I knew it better. What? I was cool like a young kid. That guy was bombarding me with facts and verifiables, from the Bible, from the whatever, from social life, from real life, from what. I was like, damn, I think I should have not opened that door. I left that particular meeting. I thought at the beginning I was going to be the teacher, and I ended up being the student. That's what happened. So it's always good before you open your mouth, you actually learn. But the good thing, there are people, you open your mouth to say something that you don't understand. Then the next minute, you are being schooled. Then you don't even become teachable. You end up becoming bitter, arrogant, you can't tell me. So you see, you left the meeting even without knowing. You still left with the information that you had which was wrong. So the moment you realize, for me in a conversation, when I meet a new person whom I've never met, when I shake their hands and we conversate, I usually test the aura, I test the intelligence and what have you, and I can tell you within a minute, this conversation, I'm going to be the teacher, or in this conversation, I'm going to be the student. And the moment I realize that I'm going to be the student, because the other person probably knows a certain area way better than I do, then I shut my mouth. My role and work is to establish an environment to milk as much as I can from that individual. Have you ever watched an interview either on a TV or a podcast or something, and that person does not have the ability to listen? The guest is, pouring some very good points, but the host is spoiling everything. I don't want to mention a certain podcast I used to watch. Now, you brought a very nice guest. The guest is giving very good points, but you're speaking a lot. You're speaking a lot. You can't even read the title that this is a very serious point the guest is saying. You're just everything. You are jokifying anything. I don't know whether that name exists. You're jokifying anything and everything. So it's so bitter. It is good to make sure that you understand the ability to listen. This is good, Joseph, and at all the time. I don't come here to share because I know everything, but I come here to share because, for God's sake, there's something that I can share with you. And I also believe you also have something that I can learn from you. That's why I always encourage you. Please leave a comment on the comment section so that at least we can learn from each other. See you in the next one. And don't forget, that is my number. Take it, shoot me a text on my WhatsApp in case you need my services. See you there.